Life is a journey of constant becoming. We start on a path, surrounded by companions who share our initial direction. But paths diverge. Not everyone who starts with you is meant to grow with you. Some relationships feel permanent, like fixtures in the architecture of our lives. They are built on shared histories and comfortable routines. But they feel permanent only until life stretches you in ways you never anticipated. Suddenly, the ground beneath you shifts. You evolve. They stay the same. The conversations that once flowed now feel forced. The shared silence that was once comfortable now feels empty. Your priorities begin to change. You seek peace. They chase distraction. You find solace in quiet moments of reflection, while they seek noise to drown out the silence. You choose growth. They choose comfort. And there's no judgment in their choice, just as there is no shame in yours. It's simply a divergence, a quiet, inevitable parting of ways. Realize that outgrowing people isn't an act of betrayal. It's an act of alignment. It's you honoring the person you are becoming. As your energy shifts, your circle shifts. It has to. You can't pour from an empty cup, and you can't thrive in an environment that no longer nourishes your soul. And that's okay. It's more than okay. It's natural. It's the rhythm of life, like seasons changing. Losing people doesn't always mean losing. Sometimes it means making space. It means returning to yourself, to the core of who you are, away from the expectations and reflections of others. So let them go, but do it with grace. Cherish the memories for what they were, but don't cling to a past that no longer fits your present. You're not abandoning them. You're choosing your own quiet evolution.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.